Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable air quality automations using EveRoom on HomeKit step by step clearly. Open the Eve app on your iPhone or iPad. Ensure your EveRoom is properly set up and connected to your HomeKit. Navigate to the Home tab in the Eve app. Locate your EveRoom device in the list and tap on it. Access the Notifications section within the device settings. Enable air quality alerts if they aren't turned on already. Next, go to the Automation tab in the HomeKit app. Tap on the plus icon to create a new automation. Select a sensor detects something. Choose your EveRoom from the list of available sensors. Select the air quality sensor option you'd like to automate, such as VOC or CO2 levels. Set the condition for when the automation should trigger. For example, choose as above and set your desired threshold. Next, tap Next to move to the action setup. Select the devices or actions you want to trigger based on the air quality condition. This could be turning on an air purifier or sending a notification. Adjust the actions as needed to suit your preferences. Once everything is set, tap Done to save your automation. Test the automation to ensure it is functioning as intended. Monitor the air quality readings in your EveRoom to see if the automation responds correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully set up air quality automations using EveRoom on HomeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.